Teleportation. Taken on a highway in Russia, a video shows a man appearing out of nowhere. In the video, a truck is seen to be going on the highway. Nothing seems weird about it at first. After a few seconds, a man just appears on the road. He appeared to come from the side of the truck, dressed in a white coat, something that seems like a doctor's coat. Weird enough, he walks to the side of the road as if nothing happened. It can be seen that the truck shows an illogical movement pattern, which can be described as close to a zigzag movement just before the appearance of the man. The driver himself is taken aback and stops the truck. Man who vanishes through walls. In an alley, a man is seen to be able to literally walk right through the walls of a store. A homeless man by the trash is seen startled as he witnesses the phenomenon. The man is first seen to come through the walls and later seen to go back to the same place. In the CCTV security footage, the date stamp flickers between 2016 and 2019 every time the man is caught in the act of vanishing through the walls. Other than that specific time, the date stamp shows 2016 only. Man stops car with his bare hands. In Russia, a man was witnessed stopping a skidding car with his bare hands. The car was skidding down a road. Two men were seen trying to stop it, but in vain. The first man is seen trying to stop the car from moving from the side of the vehicle. While he manages to stay in contact with the car for quite a few seconds, the second man who intervened was seen to slip and fall almost immediately. The man with the superpower, however, came out of nowhere and was able to stop the car from crashing into another vehicle. He was seen doing this using his hands only. Public altercation with two men uses her powers to defend herself. The argument escalates when the woman puts her arms out in a shoving motion which throws the two men up the side of a bus. Everyone moves away from her, and even she seems very scared and confused. She uses the same shoving gesture when she turns around and a table turns over, causing items to pour over onto the street. She seems totally unnerved by her own abilities and even collapses in a fit of screaming at the end of the video when even her friend moves away from her in fear of this power. was a clear image of a man with groceries walking to his car in a parking garage. Just as he reaches it, a blur of bright light passes by so quickly you cannot make out what it is. The man, startled, stands back and looks around to see every car alarm in the area has gone off. At high speed. At that exact moment, a man on a rickshaw also enters the space. It appears as if the rickshaw will be hit just as a mysterious blurred figure zooms into view, and the rickshaw and man seem to disappear with it. The truck's driver comes to a stop and exits his truck, confused over what just happened. The corner of the screen shows the hooded dark figure beside the unharmed man and rickshaw before he or she walks away from the area.